Hi, I'm Amber Brewer. Welcome to 116 Averitt Street. As you can see from the outside, this property has loads of charm and there's plenty of surprises inside too. There are 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom and soaring 9-foot ceilings throughout. One of my favorite things about these older homes is the artistry and craftsmanship that was put into them. All of the cabinetry and window trim throughout this home were custom made with Padauk wood. The big appeal to being on this side of town is the walkability to so many things. The beach, coffee shops, restaurants, bars, parks, and beautiful scenery. Thank you for touring this special property. Contact me for more information or for a private showing.